Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to use buttons on Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my my email address and password here. Click on this website button below the website you want to use a button on. Go to Pages. Click on one of these pages, and you can also edit or use your button inside one of your blog post articles listed here. I will use my button inside my one of my website pages. It's pretty much similar. All you need to do is to locate your page from this panel, then click on this edit button from the top to go into the editor mode, and now you can let's add a blank section to have free space. Select your section first in order to have this add blog button. Click on it, look for a button, and this is your button. You can place it anywhere in your section. You can resize it like that. You can quickly edit the style of this button by going from primary to secondary to tertiary. Let's keep it primary, resize it like that. Now click on this little pen, and from this new window, you can edit the button text. For example, download my PDF. You can add a link to this button by clicking on this attached link. If you want to link to an existing page on your website, just click on this little form and your website pages start showing up. You can select to link to contact, for example. You can also enable the option of opening this link in a new tab or not. If you want to link to an external link, just fill it here. For example, google.com, and click anywhere on this page to add your link. You can also link to a file on your Squarespace files by selecting file instead of URL. Click on file, click on this up arrow and locate the file on your computer. Just double click your file on your computer and it should start uploading to Squarespace. Now after that, select the file you want to link to, and it will be automatically linked to your button. Now let's see how to design your page. It's pretty much similar. You can go from the different styles, and you can also edit the button style. This is a style. Let's go with this pill like button. There are many button styles you can select from. Let's go with this pill shape button, and you can edit the size or also the text font. You can edit the text font from here, browse all fonts. You can edit the style from italic to normal. You can also edit the text size and the space between letters, uppercase or lowercase. I will go with uppercase. Now you can edit the outline size. For the padding, you can go between small, medium or large. Now let's go back to our website, close this panel. Don't forget to click on this save button to not lose your editing. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free. in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bainsexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. And to preview your button live, just click on this exit to exit the editor mode, and click on this little arrow on this corner to go into the preview mode. Now this is your website live, and this is your button on your Squarespace website. Click on it and it will open my PDF file. And this is how to use buttons on Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.